In this video, I'll guide you through how information is organized in CreamSoda. We'll explore setting up a person record, connecting a person to a company, demonstrating the deal pipeline, and setting up a deal record. Contacts are stored as person records in CreamSoda. To track which company a person works for, you can create a company record and link it to the person. You can create different types of contacts, such as customers, leads, suppliers, or brokers. A person record stores important information about the contact. You can access these by clicking the Edit button. For more fields, click the More Fields button. As a business leader, you may want your team to record specific information unique to your business. You can do this by creating custom properties in CreamSoda. We'll show you how to create custom properties in another video. To assign a person record to a sales team member, scroll down to the Owners and Followers section. Update the owner field to the desired salesperson. To make this person record visible to only a specific group, add members in the Followers section and turn on the Visible to Owners and Followers Only switch. Now, only your selected group can view this person record. If you are an administrator, you will be able to view all records, regardless of privacy settings. If you are a manager, you will be able to view all records owned by your direct reports. Your sales team often works with leads that are currently in the market. A warm lead has shown interest in what you're selling, while a cold lead hasn't. CreamSoda automatically tags a person as #warm when they're associated with a deal. All other contacts are tagged as #cold. That's it for person records. Let's look at how a deal record is set up. A deal record represents a sale you're actively pursuing. You should create a deal when a lead shows interest in buying your product. For example, in real estate, a deal may contain information about a property your client is trying to buy or sell. In manufacturing, a deal might be an order that needs to be shipped. When a lead shows interest, you go through multiple steps or sales stages before closing the deal. This is your deal pipeline. In CreamSoda, you can set up multiple pipelines to map out all your sales processes. When a deal requires your attention, CreamSoda will notify you with a visual indicator and explain the issue. To save you time, CreamSoda allows you to make calls, send emails, create tasks, and schedule meetings with leads directly from the deal card. You can also access details about overdue tasks associated with a deal right from the same card. You can also create a deal by clicking on the plus button. Let's take a deeper look into a deal record. Like a person record, CreamSoda offers fields to capture deal information. You can update these fields by clicking the Edit button. You can also create custom properties to record unique information relevant to deals. You can tag a deal as #hot by clicking the Hot button, which prioritizes it at the top of the Kanban board to signify its importance. You can log all costs related to a deal and see your net profit at any given time. To add a cost, scroll down to the Cost section and click the Add Cost link. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helps you understand how to organize and manage your information in CreamSoda.